All right, folks. Hey, this is Mr. Dell. We are looking at trying to find missing angles of a unique shape, but given the fact that we understand supplementary angles, we should be able to do this. So this is CPM CC2 Course 2 Section 8.2.3. Okay. Oh, no, it wasn't. It was 8.2.3. Yes, it was. All right. So it says here, Alexander and Santiago put 5 pattern blocks together with 1 vertex of each blocks touching as shown in the diagram at the right. So what we've got, if you've ever dealt with these pattern blocks, they're things like these are rhombi and they're usually beige, and then there's green triangles. So they're pattern blocks, but this is the black and white version of pattern blocks. And what's unique is each of these pattern blocks are identical, right? They are equal. So we know that these angles, x, 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 these 4 angles are all equal. And then in a green triangle, we know that this angle here is 60. Okay. So it wants me to find the measure of those smaller angles, the missing x angles in the beige rhombi. So what we also know is because we understand the straight angle, we understand what a straight angle is. Straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay? Straight angle is 180 degrees. So we know that this side length here represents a straight angle. So all the way around from here down to here is 180 degrees, right? So that being said, we can actually write a little mini equation. We know that x plus x plus x plus x, all 4 of those angles plus 60 should equal 180, because all of these angles are all put together and they're supplementary angles. They equal 180. They equal that straight angle. So if I look at what I have, what do I have? I have 4 x's plus 60 is equal to 180. So now I just need to solve that equation. And when you solve equations, remember it's doing the inverse operations to get the x alone. I want to find out, basically what I'm trying to figure out is 4 times some number plus 60 equals 180. So if I'm going to work backwards, I'm going to subtract 60 from both sides of the equation. So subtract 60 from the 180. So I get 120. Now I know that 4 times something is 120. Well, again, now I have 4 times something is 120. So the inverse operation, the opposite operation, is division. So I'm going to divide by 4. So that gives me my x. X is going to equal 120 divided by 4 is 30. So now I know I'm going to have a 30, 30, 30, 30, and 60. So 4 30s plus a 60 give me that 180. So that's small. The measure of the smaller, up there it says the measure of the smaller angle is 30 degrees. So we'd say the smaller angle equals 30 degrees. Or you could say the measure of angle x, you can write it this way, the measure of angle x is equal to 30 degrees. All right, there you go.